Expand your business industry with AIUT. We offer a complete package of tools and services that will drive your new business initiatives worldwide. Our top-class R&D and IT engineers develop innovative projects with quick access to the newest resources, containing software, applications, and hardware platform. To shorten time to market and speed up your business development, we also offer high-end and fully customized production lines that can be easily transferred to any place you want. Flexibility is our main concern. We realize that every industry has its own specified requirements, and we can handle them. With such background and experience, we are ready to collaborate and prepare individual solutions tailored to your needs that can be implemented anywhere in the world. And remember, you will never be left to your own devices. Our online technical support is always on hand to deal with your questions and queries, ready to exchange the ideas and knowledge. From now on, you will be able to advance your business and freely connect to resources and services that help you improve your business performance and build local competence centers. With us, you will develop and deploy any custom solution. Feel free to involve in solution development. We innovate technologies for you.